Hello everyone, welcome back to Emmanuel Tutorials. Today we'll be seeing a sketch the signal example asked by a student in one of the comment sections. This is a continuous time example. If you also have any doubts related to signals and systems or any other electronics and telecommunication related or computer science concept, you can ask that in the comments and we'll try to help you. So let's start. The signal that we have is x of t is equal to 6 minus 2t. As usual, we are going to divide it into parts so that it becomes easier for us to get the final output or the final resultant signal. So first part is 6, second part is 2t. 6 meaning it's a continuous time signal with amplitude 6, which is going to move from minus infinity to plus infinity across the axis. So this is a straight line. This is simple. And then second is 2t. So if you see 2t, it's a 2 times multiplication of the ramp signal, because r of t is the equation that we have for ramp signal. So what you need to do is, if you know what is the ramp signal, it is something like this. It's a 45-degree signal which has amplitude of t. So at t equal to 0 it's 0, at t is equal to 1 it's going to be 1, at t is equal to 2 it's going to be 2, t equal to 3 it's going to be 3. Similarly on the left it's going to be at t equal to minus 1, amplitude is going to be minus 1, and so on. And when you say 2t, you're just going to be multiplying this signal by 2. So our amplitudes are going to be multiplied by 2, and that is what I have drawn here. So if you see at 0 multiplied by 2 is going to be 0. At 1 multiplied by 2 is 2. At 2, and the ramp signal we have 2, so 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. At 3 it's going to be 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. Similarly on the left hand side you can see it's going to keep on decreasing here. And what we need to do is multiply the second part from the first part. So let's first try to plot the points, and then we will draw the line which is connecting the points. Always starting from 0 becomes easier, but you can do it according to your ease. So at 0, if you see, 6 minus 0 is going to give us 0. At 1, 6 minus 2 is going to give us 4. At 2, 6 minus 4 is going to give us 2. At 3, 6 minus 6 is going to give us 0. At 4, 6 minus 8 is going to give us minus 2. Similarly on the left, if you see, it's going to be 6 minus minus 2, which is going to give us 8. Similarly, it will be 6 minus minus 4, which is going to give us 10. So let's see what we have in the resultant signal. So in the resultant signal, if you see, we have 6 minus 0 as 6, 6 minus 2 as 4, 6 minus 4 as 2, 6 minus 6 as 0, 6 minus 8 as minus 2, and similarly on the left hand side it will be 6 minus minus 2 as plus 8. So first what I have done is plotted the points and then just draw a straight line across. So this is going to continue to minus infinity and plus infinity. So you don't need to plot everything. You can draw the visible points and show the main points, like for something around minus 2 to minus 4 you can show and plot the points and connect it. So hope you understood this. If you have any doubts related to this video or any other concept in electronics or computer science engineering, please let us know in the comments and we'll try to help you. Please like, share and subscribe to Emmanuel Tutorials for more. Do share this video with your friends in need. Thank you for watching.